This exercise is an inferior hip mobilization. To perform the exercise, we're going to use a monster band or a super band. Sometimes they're called pull-up assist bands as well, and you can find these on Amazon. This is the thickest one. It's about 2.5 inches thick here, maybe 2 inches. And I'm going to have this band anchored to something very sturdy. I'm going to pull as much tension as I can in it, or as much tension as desired. And I'm going to try to get the band all the way up as close to my hip joint as possible. So up into the hip joint and the groin. I'm going to keep my other leg relaxed, and I'm going to scoot away from where the band is anchored to as much as I can so that it's pulling harder, right? As much as I can tolerate, as long as you're not having any adverse pain like sharp pain. When I'm doing the exercise, I'm going to try to keep the muscles in the front of my hip relaxed. If they activate, then the band, it's going to push out on the band, and I want the band to sink into my tissues as much as I can so that it mobilizes the hip joint. So I'm going to make sure those muscles are relaxed, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of oscillate or pulse into a little bit more hip flexion here. Make sure those muscles are staying relaxed. You may even feel like the hip is coming into a little bit of external rotation with this, and that's okay. I try to do as much just straight knee to chest as I can. I would recommend doing this for about 2 to 5 minutes.